Failed with major repairs. Technical repair report for bidding. Restoration with permit by a fully licensed vendor. Engineer oversight. 3 site visits. Certification with owner liability in lieu of a load test. Load test still may be required by the AHJ.
Fire escape inspection in New Bedford. Here we are doing an inspection. This is a pre-existing lofty non-conforming fire escape. We're looking for paint job first. This fire escape needs to be 100% painted and scraped and painted because it has external rust. The treads, I'm gonna talk about the treads. The treads needs to be restored, every single one of them, because all the connections are with the internal rust, and it has emergency that needs to be done on this fire escape. All the railings needs to be rebolted and clean the internal rust. The ladder here, it doesn't go to the ground, needs to be up to grade. The brackets there, it looks like it doesn't have two bolts to the wall. That needs to be restored. And up there, the platform, it doesn't have platform, it's bare roof. So because of pre-existing non-conforming, fire escapes have to the city official to allow it to stay that way. Okay. Fire escape inspection. This is a small fire escape, one flight and a ladder going down. It has a few problems that it needs to be restored. As you can see here, some bolts missing, same on the bottom, and some missing spindles on this rail. As you can see, on this side has some spindles missing. And this antenna is illegal on the fire escape. The bolts that holds the whole stringer, as you can see there, they're pulling out. Same on this side. And plus, it needs a platform coming along on this roof over here. And the railings are welded, but most of the welders has internal rust. They need to be restored. As you can see here, this internal rust needs to be restored. Same on this end over here, needs to be restored. These bolts, as you can see, they're pulling out that I was talking about before. These two, need to replace those for a 1/2 inch or 3/4. These welds over here has internal rust, so that needs to be restored. You know, the best way to restore them connections is cut the weld, pulling it apart, clean the rust, and put it back together with new 1/2 inch bolt. And I'm gonna talk about the threads. Most of the threads has internal rust on the connection, causing rust jacking. Some of them already start breaking apart because due to the internal rust. Every one of those threads, it needs to be restored because it has rust jacking on both connections. Right here, as you can see there, as you can see the rust jacking. The platform over there has surface rust, has to be scraped down and 100% painted. And this same thing on these connections. On these rails over there, they need to be restored because it has internal rust. Okay. I'm gonna take a shot from this end, so you can see the roof. That's the roof.
Load test still may be required by the AHJ. Failed with major repairs. Technical repair report for bidding. Restoration with permit by a fully licensed vendor. Engineer oversight. 3 site visits. Certification with owner liability in lieu of a load test. Fire escape issues. Photos represent what the violations are, not where they are or how many exist. Pass-fail inspection, not technical repair report.